Brad Williams, XL Prime here. We want to figure out the last day of the month. We're going to use a couple different functions, and I'm going to show you some shortcuts. Let's look at this thing. We're going to use end of month and the day. Combining the two, we can strip out the end of month and get a day. We have day, end of month, P5, 428, and 2051. There are 30 days in the month, and that's the last day of the month would be 30. How does it work? Let's look here. We have end of month returns the last day of the month, end months away from date. Here's the date, and then end of month is going to do its thing, and then day is going to turn that into the day. But let's look at it from a different angle. Let's just get rid of that day and just put end of month. And it's going to say we have an error, blah, blah, blah. There's a parenthesis error, so just correct this. And now we have a serial number. Go up here and just hit short date. Going to go 4/30/2051. It's a format. You know it's a format, and we have a serial number. So why not hit Control 1, go in, and up here under Sample, under Custom, we can change this, the look of this thing. All we're looking for is day, right? There's 30, right? That'll give us the number of days. Go in, remove the day, hit enter, 5029, hit Control 1, hit Custom, hit D. Just put D in there, because that's for day, and 31. You have a couple options there. There are many, many, many tools that you can combine within Excel. Here, you can remove a step, or if you're more comfortable just putting day, end of month, you're going to get the same result. 6.5, one does the other. There's many ways to get to New York, or many ways to get to San Jose, or however you want to say that. Just want to show you a couple of different ways to do this. You can just read the summary to your right. The anatomy, there we go, day, returns a day as a number. End of month returns the day of the month. We're using B5 in both cases. The final outcome is as shown. Brad Williams, XL Prime, thank you.